Hello everyone, myself Tanisha and welcome to my channel Fantastic Nikki. Today I'm here at Taj Puri Resort and Spa, which is 67 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar Biju Patnaik Airport, and it is 5.5 kilometers away from the famous Jagannath Temple. So this place is for the one which is in love with spirituality and who wants the devotees of Lord Krishna, because it's very close by to the temple, and also it's a 5-star beach facing resort. So you would love it because you want luxury at the same time you want to be having the spiritual feeling with you. So that's the speciality about the place. Now I'll come to the property. It's a property which has 90 rooms, which includes your suites, deluxe rooms and the villas. So there are various categories in this room. So it is for the lower budget you have the superior and deluxe rooms, and then if you have a mid budget you can book some villas for yourself, and then if you have a high budget then you can book suites with plunge pools. So the room which I am staying is the second highest category, which is the grand suite with plunge pool. Above it is the presidential suite, which is the highest most category in this property. This property's speciality is it displays the Kalinga architecture all across. It's it is inspired by the Kalinga architecture in its interiors, as well as when you enter the room you will see the artistry of terracotta, the partition and the ikat weaves that they have in which is there in one of the place called Pilni in Bhubaneswar, and it is inspired by that artistry. So it takes you back to the culture of Odisha, and they have ensured that all the dishes and everything which is there, they have something which relates you with the culture of Odisha. So which is what I like, because when you come here you get a taste of how the culture and tradition of Odisha is. Then coming to the point, which is, as I said, it's a beachfront property, though they still do not have private beach per se, but they have private access to the beach. So they are trying to get the license and all of that, so that they can place some restaurants and all of that over here. But I would give you a nice glimpse of how it looks like from the property, the Samudra view. So as you can see at the back of myself, so this is such a beautiful view of the Samundar, which is the beach they have kept here. And then there is also two pools they have, which is, one is a common adult pool, and attached to it is a kids pool. So they do every day evening high tea also, which is happening here near the pool. It is complimentary activity for all the in-house guests, and that's also one of the must-do experience when you by chance visit to Taj Puri, because they do a traditional folk dance of Odisha. There are a couple of people who come, like small children also perform here once in a week. Some lady will come and perform, and all the performances are really spectacular. I witnessed two and I love both of them. They also do a evening ritual which is performed near the Samundar in Puri, and they have inspired the same thing, and they do the same thing here in Taj Puri as well. At 6 p.m. every day they perform a Samudra Aarti, where a couple of priests would be coming and performing the Aarti, and you will see the glimpse of it in my video ahead. So these are a couple of activities which they have kept as I said, complimentary. Other than that, there's nothing much to do other than this activity overall, but they have paid other activities as well which you can take. Like I have taken, one is a visit to the Jagannath Puri temple. There is a person who would really assist you. So if you're traveling with small kids or senior citizen and you really can't take the hassle of buying the tickets and doing all of that for Konark Sun Temple, or walking into with the crowd because you have senior citizens or some people who are not fit enough to walk, so they will help you in assisting you in making sure you visit the temple without any hassle. So these are a couple of paid activities. As I said, the other one was Konark Sun Temple. They also give you a visit to Chilka Lake and the Chandrabhaga beach. So these are a couple of paid activities which you can contact the front desk and get in touch with them. Apart from this, they have three dining places. The one is Vista, which is their all-dine restaurant, where they serve you the buffet, breakfast, dinner and lunch. Other than that, there is called Jatra, which is the specialty restaurant, which is for the Odia dishes and some sort of East Asian dishes that they kept in this particular restaurant. And there is also a Jatra bar, which is close by to the swimming pool, and wherein you can have some nice, creative cocktails and enjoy your starters there. So this is about the property. As you move ahead in my video, you will see all of this, me witnessing into the property and enjoying over here. So here's the high tea at Taj Puri and Resort happening. I'm having my masala chai while seeing the live performance. It's absolutely amazing, and it's spectacular performance by him. Before there was a guy who was dancing, and now she's dancing. This is overlooking the ocean. It's amazing. So this is the evening high tea place where they serve the evening chai, coffee, and some little bit of snacks. There's a nice soothing music that's been played, which I really liked. I heard it for the first time, but it's really nice. And then for the kids, they kept marshmallow as well, and then some churmuras and all of that to go with the tea. And this is nice, some pocket samosas, and also they have kept charts as well for us to enjoy. There's a nice wind blowing, beautiful view from here. We have the pool for the kids as well as for the adult, and then which overlooks the ocean. So these are some of the mocktails they have kept. The detox water, Shangri-La Station, which is actually a mocktail, looks like the Shangri-La wine. And along with that, they give you a unique drink which is kept there, and I want to show you that Lush. So I'm being very cheesy by doing such stuff, but I wanted to show you badly. So this is the Lush that they give, which is absolutely unique, which is iced watermelon juice. I have not tasted it because I'm a chai person, but this is good to go with this breeze in the summer and this view. So I did my stuff, what I wanted to show you. So I'm having a good time here. That's about the high tea. So here are the priests after the high tea who have come to do the Samundar Aarti, which is a ritual which is followed every day in Taj Puri Resort and Spa. And they will head towards the Samundar to do the Aarti, and all the in-house guests are allowed to do the same with them. So I'm going to experience this amazing thing, and I want to show you this how it real time feels.
रुचं रामं जनयन्तो देवाः अग्रे तदा ब्रुवन् यस्यैवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवाः सन्नसे श्रीश्च ते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्याः अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमस्मिनो व्याप्तं हरिः ओम् आद्यो शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगो शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिर्वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः श्यामा शान्तिरेरियतो यतः समीहसे ततो नो अभयं गुरु.
So here they are performing the Aarti ritual, which is very nearer to the Samundara, and the priest is performing some starting puja before they do the final Aarti. I'm really feeling heavenly right now because this feeling, with the nature, doing puja and doing this Aarti, I felt this amazing feeling at Rishikesh before, and Taj is giving me one more, feel for that. So I want to share this with you specifically, all the, rituals that they do while doing this Aarti, so that you also have a view of how it looks like.
तस्यास्
Hello everyone, good morning. It's a lovely morning here at Taj Puri, and I'm heading for my breakfast in the restaurant Vista. So let me quickly show you the spread of the breakfast here and how it looks like. Now I've entered the breakfast place, which is Vista Restaurant. It operates from 7:30 a.m. in the morning to 10:30 a.m. And as we enter, the first thing that we hear is this melodious tune from this flute artist. It's absolutely soothing. You feel one with the nature. Plus, hear this nice melodious music. You really feel your morning really started with a very good note. Now I'll quickly show you the breakfast spread. So there are some sort of desserts when they start, and I'll quickly show you the. So we will start here with some porridge, grilled tomatoes, and then as we go we find some kachoris and some upma. They also have steamed idli and sambar with chutneys. There is a live station for egg, omelets, pancakes, dosa, and waffles. This is my favorite, all-time favorite khaja, which is also there here with some breads and toast. And then they have some croissants, muffins, and other desserts. Some Indian desserts as well. And then here they have placed some fresh fruits with some cereals. And my all-time favorite puri bhaji as well. So it's a wholesome spread. Looks delicious. Let me try them and give you, thoughts about how it went. Place which saved my vacations in all the 5 stars, and wherein because of which I could have my me time and my kids could enjoy their time too. So this is the kids play area, and here they have the wall climbing, mini wall climbing for small kids, and there is a place for the small kids to play with the balls, and they have kept very nice soft toys for them, some books to read, and there is ice hockey, which is my favorite game. Also, they have the foosball, a dedicated place for a foosball, and then they also have some place for them to have, clean their face and all, which is missing in some of the 5 stars I saw. They did not have a hygiene place for washing their hands and all of that. So this is the things that they do, and then apart from this, there are certain timings that they keep. To do certain activities, which is you have to contact the front desk team to understand the timings for each of those activities, and basically the drawing, beads making, jewelry making, and all of that. But they have a slot for that, so you got to contact them. And also there is a dedicated person who is always there here, and who will take care of your kids, and they will contact you in case they need you. So that's about the kids play area. As I said, my room is very close to the restaurant, and also the dinner where it is served, and it is also very close to this sea beach. So this restaurant also gives you a view of the sea beach. So how amazing it is to have a dip, in the sea beach. Come here, have your breakfast, and sip on some nice fresh tender coconut.
I just went to the sea beach today morning. It was brilliant.
I forgot to tell you, I went to the sea beach in the morning, and I felt absolutely amazing. And the whole night, the sound of the ocean was actually sometimes scaring me, sometimes making me feel awesome. So it was a mixed feeling that I had yesterday night, which I have never seen in any other sea-facing restaurants or hotels. Here's the fitness center of Taj Puri. It's just adjacent to the pool, and here you will see a couple of cardio equipments and the basic amenities that is required. I did my morning cardio as well over here, and it has all the necessary equipments, though not too many, but whatever basic you need, like your dumbbells and your treadmill, and there is bicep equipment. There is also cycling over here. So fair place to have your morning cardio. This is the wellness circle of Taj Puri. and it has a couple of Indian therapies, signature therapies that they have for rejuvenating and refreshing yourself. I haven't, though, experienced any of the therapies yet because mine is booked for tomorrow. I will definitely share with you how was my experience in the spa there and let you know if it is worth it or not. Near to the lobby and on the way towards our room, there is a small recreational activity which is your table tennis. Me and my daughter had a good time yesterday evening playing this, and it's wonderful. You can sit here and enjoy seeing your kids playing TT. So let me take you through the tour of Grand Villa with plunge pool. It is the second most highest category of room in Taj Puri Resort and Spa. Come, I'll show you the room. So as we enter towards the left side, there is a big wardrobe with a locker and a couple of drawers to keep your stuff. They have kept the bathroom as well, and there is a nice space to keep your luggage. And then again there is a similar wardrobe on this side, and you can look at the decor they have done. So I'm celebrating my anniversary here, so I just wanted to show you the beautiful way they have decorated this room. So they have decorated with a lot of golden and red balloons with the happy anniversary. And then there is a king who is playing with his toy, which is also provided by Taj Puri for him. It's a nice parrot for him to play. And then as we move ahead, there is a small sitting area where you can, work. And this is a complimentary cake from them. And so Puri is famous for its delicious khaja, which is given at the Jagannath Puri temple. And this is a savory, which is, worldwide famous from Puri. So this is the sweet that they have kept in three forms, different forms, and I love this sweet. So these are the fruits they have given us, and this is a nice sitting area wherein you can have some food and then overlook the very best part of this room, which is the private pool, as I mentioned, overlooking the ocean. So as you can see, the view is absolutely stunning. You can dip into your private pool and then overlook the beautiful Samudra of Puri. And
That's
this
the
sound
restaurant.
itself gives you a very amazing, pleasure. And then there is a restaurant, which is Vista, where we are gonna head right now to have our lunch, and I'll share more stories about it. There's also a television, by the way, in the room, which is connected with smart TV. And you can connect your phone or whatever and then save YouTube videos for your kids. And as we move ahead, there is a washing area, which is a separate washing area, and then they have divided it into bathroom and restroom. So here is a restroom, and here is the bathroom. They don't have a bathtub because they already have a private pool for you to dip in. So there's a shower and other amenities. So the best part I like about Taj is they give you Forest Essentials products, which is my favorite brand because it's very, I don't know, I just love this brand because it's mostly to do with your natural products rather than using too many chemicals. So I like this about Taj. That's about it. So I'll head for my lunch and share more stories regarding this property with you. The time has come to check out from Taj Puri, and I thought I'll share some thoughts with you about my stay, what I really liked, and what they could do much better upon, and some things that are must do over here. So first of all, I'll start because I'm a foodie with food. The food over here is absolutely amazing. They kept the traditional food of Odisha, and which was very tasty, by the way. And also for the vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian, they have a lot of options and everything. I mean, I have not tasted non-vegetarian because I'm a vegetarian, but I have heard from my people around me that they were enjoying the food very well, and it was very tasty. And for the vegetarian, I can vouch the food was absolutely amazing. So on the food front, it was really amazing experience. Coming to the activities, the evening high tea was really must do, I would say, because the Samundar Aarti that they do at 6 p.m. is a must do at this place. I really enjoyed the spiritual feeling over there. It is just near the Samundar that the priests perform, and the mantras that they chant, it really takes you back to the spiritual feeling. So that's something which I would say is a must watch in this property. There are a couple of other activities which comes at a price. You have to pay for it, but those are worth it for people who really need some sort of guidance and assistance. Like for example, the mantri, I would say the puja thing at the Jagannath Puri temple. It's really easy for you to take the service from here, pay a price of around 5,000 to them, and then you get a priest with you, you get a coordinator from the hotel, you get a door-to-door service, like they will take you from here in their own car, which is Innova Cresta, be it 2 adults or 4 adults whatsoever. And in this hot sun, it's a AC car with the chilled water served to you in the car and all of that. So these sound maybe silly, but at that point in time you really need it when you are traveling with senior citizens and small kids, right? So these are a couple of things that they do, and then you don't really have to go through the line. They directly take you, some jugaad they have with internal police and some mantris and all of that, and also the priest that they take you directly to the temple. And the one thing which I experienced was really one of a thing, that in the temple the priest got a small tool for me, because the temple is little far from you, and it's a long huge temple which people who have a mediocre height like me cannot see. So he got a tool for me, and I could visit and see the temple very well. So I really thank them for doing this, but as I said, it comes with a price. All of these are a couple of things which I really like. There are things that they could do a little more better. That is the housekeeping service. It's a bit slow. I felt it's really slow because maybe the rooms are located in different directions, so it gets difficult for them to reach to the rooms, or maybe because the hotel was really occupied when I had come here. I don't know, but the service was really slow. So that's one thing they should keep in mind. When they have done everything amazing, they should work on this as well. So these are the couple of thoughts that I would share. Now comes the best part, which is the costing part. So the basic category of room comes at a 17,500 plus tax, which includes breakfast, and if you add a major meal to that, it comes to a 20,500 plus tax. And then it goes to 1,60,000 plus tax for a presidential villa with private plunge pool. And the room which I'm staying, which is the second category, which is a grand villa with a plunge pool. This room is actually 60,000 plus tax with breakfast, and I had all the meals included. Henceforth, I paid 80,000 plus tax. So everything was in house. Once paying that price, everything was taken care. My high tea, my lunch, my dinner, my breakfast, and all the activities that I did. It's just the puja thing that I did there in Jagannath Puri temple, and the Konark temple, as I said, they are both 5,000 plus tax. So somewhere around 5,800 something you got to pay. The Konark Sun temple, by the way, was a little less because they don't have to do so much work around there. So it was coming somewhere around 4,000. So still worth it. So these are all information I thought will be helpful for you if you're planning a stay here at Taj Puri. Thank you.